Hi kids, I'm Zookeeper Zipp, and this is our awesome dinosaur show. As always, I have my best friend Bruno with me. Say hi, Bruno. Hi, Bruno.
Today's dinosaur is one of my favorites. It's the Ankylosaurus. Let's use the time simulator and see what one looks like.
Big tail.
You're right, Bruno. That club-like tail was used to swing at other dinosaurs for protection, just like all those armored plates on its back. Ankylosaurus was a herbivore that lived in the late Cretaceous period in North America and Canada. Fossils were found in
Montana.
That's right, Bruno. The word Ankylosaurus means fused lizard. They lived for about 80 years and were quadrupedal, which means they walked on 4 feet. They had a maximum speed of about 5 miles an hour. The Ankylosaurus was about 20 feet or 6 meters long and about 6 feet or 2 meters tall. They weighed about 4 tons or as much as an elephant. They also had a great sense of smell. Oh no, Bruno!
T-Rex.
Where's the time simulator? I can't find it.
Hurry up.
Here it is, Bruno. Wow, Bruno. I could see him coming this time.
Scary. Okay, kids, that ends today's show, but we'll be back next week with more dinosaurs and more learning fun. Say bye, Bruno. Bye, Bruno.
Zippy